Izifundazwe iWestern Cape, iEastern Cape, iKwaZulu-Natal kanye neGauteng zisabalwa njengezifundazwe ezihamba phambili ngobugebengu kuleli njengoba kusanda kubulawa abantu abalinganiselwa ku-18 e-Eastern Cape.
It is clear that identified high crime zones in all 4 provinces require intelligence-led targeted deployment of specialized units to combat criminality over and above Operation Chanela. A total of 225 hotspots police stations have been identified, demanding targeted and synchronized interventions.
Umchunu uthi izifundazwe zizobonelelwa ukuze zikwazi ukulwa nobugebengu kangcono.
This includes additional 85 million to support the top 30 plus 5 high contact crime stations. Community engagements will also be supported through an allocation of 28 million for community policing forums, which will be used to procure essential resources such as torches, reflective jackets and cones.
Udlame oloyamene nobulili lungezinye zezingqinamba ezihamba phambili kuleli kanti umchunu uthi kubekwe u1.6 billion wamarandi ekulweni nalesihlava.
And approximately 1.6 billion will be spent on baseline activities relating to GBVNF response, including 1.5 billion for family violence, child protection and sexual offences units.
Ungqongqoshe uthi u670 million wamarandi uzoya ekwakhiweni kweziteshi zamaphoyisa kanye nokulungisa ezikhona njengamanje.